Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change or link your Activision or Call of Duty account to Steam, step by step, super easy and quick. First, make sure you're logged in on your Steam account. Keep it open in the background because we'll need it in a second. Now, open your browser and go to Activision.com. Click Sign Up if you don't already have an account, or Sign In if you do. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down, select Linked Accounts. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see all the platforms you can link, like PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net, and Steam. Look for the Steam option and click on Link. A small Steam pop-up window will appear asking you to log in and authorize Activision. If it doesn't show, check your browser's pop-up settings or try again in incognito mode. Once the Steam window opens, just log into your Steam account and click Allow or Authorize. After that, wait a few seconds, then come back to your Activision page and you'll see that the button has changed from Link to Unlink. That means your Steam account is now successfully connected to Activision. If you ever want to switch to a different account, you can come back here and click Unlink, but keep in mind that Activision only allows one unlink every 12 months, so use it carefully. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Activision or Call of Duty account to Steam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next Steam or COD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.